Don't let this be you, lusting after a perfect Instagram feed while you're sitting at home all summer. Okay, where did she take all these photos? A cool wall? A Ferris wheel? Girl, look at your hair! I need a place to take photos. Maybe I'll go to the beach? Or, ooh, this cool shed. Not that I have enough money to go to Mexico. Wait a second. Good. Let's start over. Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new here, welcome to my channel. You should click the subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell, and then you'll never miss another video from me again. I love to make DIY videos, bullet journal videos, crafty videos, etc. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Okay, let's be real here. Do you ever hear about your friends going on little weekend trips or vacations to really cool places like Hawaii or New York or some beach trip that you've always wanted to do? Maybe you're happy for them and you think, oh, they deserve it and they're gonna have so much fun. You really are. But then they come back and they have all these things to post on Instagram, and you've been sitting at home, maybe watching Netflix or YouTube, maybe perfectly fine, but then you want to post something, but you have nothing to post on Instagram. You do have something to post on Instagram. You can post that you were watching Netflix, but you want something different than you normally post. Well, if you're worried about a cool Instagram background, or maybe you want to make a new DIY, maybe you've always wanted a brick wall like me, or maybe you want to make backgrounds to have models shoot in front of, don't worry, I got you. Today we're going to make a DIY brick wall, and depending on what you put it on, you can transport it wherever you want. So let's get started. Let's start off with what you'll need. A large canvas or paper or something to paint the brick on, red, brown, black, and white paint, and a small amount of orange paint. If you can find the color of red brick, you can just buy that color and forget about the rest of the colors. A large rectangular sponge. This is larger than the normal kitchen sponge, but I found mine at the dollar store. Water to dampen your sponge. A bowl with a lid that you can mix your paint in. Tin or disposable plate to keep a thin layer of paint on for dipping the sponge. Plastic knife or something to mix your paint and spread it on the sponge with. First, put some red paint into your mixing bowl. Then add a small amount of brown to that and mix it up. Add black to darken your paint and mix it. I think you're getting a hang of this. Continue adding red, brown, black, white, and orange paint until you have the right color, and also make sure you have enough to cover most of your canvas. Take some of the paint and put a thin layer in the tin. After, dampen your sponge. Dip the sponge into the paint, kind of like a stamp, and there won't be enough paint on it, so you'll want to take your knife and spread the paint onto it. Then press the sponge onto the canvas. I started in the bottom right hand corner. Just remember to start in one of the corners. A little tip I have for you is, let's say you press down your sponge and then it comes up and there's still a gap in it. Well, you want to fill in the white spaces with some of your sponge, so just the corner of it, And then make sure to go over and restamp so it has the texture. And then it looks great. You can leave a little gap and continue on with the next brick. Then also with the bricks on top, you'll want to off-center them. And this means that you will put the center of the brick in the gaps, just like it's shown here, and make sure to leave gaps in between the layers as well as the bricks themselves.